What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you all an arbitrage opportunity right here on Bybit that involves buying BTC at a low rate and then you sell high for profit. Okay, so guys, make sure you stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Cam's TV, and what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Cam's TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay guys, so here we are back on my Bybit account dashboard right now. So before you can start performing arbitrage right here on Bybit, you first of all need to have a fully verified Bybit account. Okay, so how can you actually get your account verified? So guys, it's quite easy. First of all, you need to sign up for a Bybit account, and then when you're actually done signing up, the next step would be coming over here that actually shows this human icon right here. Okay, so when you actually hit on it, it's going to load up. So over here that actually shows verified on my own right here, as you can see. It also be telling you to verify. So all you just simply need to do is hit on the verify button, and boom guys, you start the verification process. Okay, what they are going to require for the KYC verification is a face verification, and also they would require you to verify your ID card, okay, that is issued by the government in your country. So it could be your international passport, your national ID, your driver's license, whatsoever document that is issued in your country by your government is required right here. Okay, they would also require you to submit your bank statement and some other documents that will be required right here. Okay, the verification process is not difficult at all, it's very easy. So as long as you have all the required documents, you are good to go. Okay, so that is basically how you can verify your Bybit account. So I'm going to go back right now, guys. Here we are. So guys, the sign up link to Bybit is going to be on this video description, and also it's going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community. Okay, the links to my WhatsApp and Telegram community is going to be on this video description as well. So all you just simply need to do is go over there, join my groups, and boom guys, you can actually get access to a lot of information right there. Okay, so that is it. So guys, how do you actually begin this arbitrage? So first of all, you just simply need to hit on this place right here that says more. Okay, I'm going to hit on more right now. Okay, here we are. So when you're actually here, the next step would be hitting on this place right here that says buy crypto. Okay, so I'm going to hit on buy crypto right now. Okay, it's going to load up. Here we are, guys. So while you are here, the next step would be to change this place right here that says USD to NGN. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, if you are not in Nigerian, you can also try it in your own currency. Okay, you can try it in USD. If you actually use the USD currency, you can try it and see if there'll be profit for you. If you're actually in Ghana, you can also try it by using the Ghanaian currency. Whatever country you may hail from, you can actually try it out, guys. It works worldwide. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says USD right now and just search for NGN right here. Okay, NGN. All right, so I'm going to hit on NGN, guys. Boom. So over here that says USDT, I'm going to hit on it and just select BTC. Okay, I'm going to find BTC. All right, so this is it. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Boom. So guys, let's take a look at the current price of BTC right now on this buy section. Okay, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says pay with bank transfer. I'm going to hit on it. Okay, so as you can see, guys, one BTC is currently sold at 129,329,739.81 naira. Okay, so make sure to actually jot this price down, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now, guys. All right, so guys, before you can actually indulge in this arbitrage, you first of all need to have a good amount of capital. Okay, the reason you need to have a good capital is because it's actually much more profitable, guys. All right, so right now, let's see we actually want to use a sum of 500,000 naira. So I'm going to type in 500,000 naira right here, guys. Okay, 500,000. Okay, so as you can see right now, 500,000 naira is going to give us a sum of 0.00386207 BTC. Okay, so make sure you also take note of this price right here that I've actually used in buying the BTC. All right, so now that I've actually purchased this BTC using bank transfer, the next step would be going over to the P2P section to actually sell up this BTC for profit. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now, guys. Okay, so over here that says P2P trading, I'm going to hit on P2P trading right here, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on it. Okay, so let's just give this some time to load up. Here we are. So guys, before we proceed with this video right now, if you're actually getting value from this video, don't hesitate to leave your boy a thumbs up right now, guys. Okay, and if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, don't hesitate to smash on that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you'd always get notified each time amazing videos like this one you are watching right now is being uploaded right here on this channel. Okay, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys. Please subscribe to our channel and God bless you. Okay, so guys, what do you do next? So right here that says USDT, you just simply need to hit on it, guys. Okay, and then you select BTC. All right, it's going to load up, guys. So here we are. So right here that says sell, you just simply need to hit on sell, guys. Okay, and over here that says amount, you just simply need to filter the amount. I'm going to hit on amount right here. Okay, and just simply type in 500,000. Okay, I'm going to hit on confirm. All right, then over here that says all payment methods, I'm going to hit on it and select bank transfer, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on confirm as well. Here we are. So you also need to make sure that up here it's actually on the NGN market. Okay, as you can see, mine is on the NGN market. So wherever country you are, just simply make sure yours is actually showing your market. Okay, so that is basically how you can sell. All right, so guys, the next step now would be finding someone who is actually willing to buy from you. Okay, all these guys up here, their prices are fake, because when you actually decide to sell to them, you would actually price your BTC very low. Okay, on the chat box, they'll price it very, very low. So you just simply need to scroll down, guys. Okay, you need to scroll down below. All right, so as you can see right here, all these guys are actually they are real. All right, so this guy over here called EL, as you can see right here, is actually buying at 145.20 million. Okay, and its limit is actually 100,000 to 23 million naira. Okay, its quantity is actually 1.8 BTC, guys. All right, so let's say you actually want to sell to this guy right now. You just simply need to hit on sell. Okay, it's going to load up. Here we are. So as you can see, guys, this guy is actually selling for the sum of 145,200,000 naira. Okay, but this does not mean that when you actually go over to the chat box, it won't try to price your BTC a little bit lower. But if you actually price it a little bit lower, you would still be making profit, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my calculator right now to actually calculate this amount with the amount of BTC we actually bought on the one-time buy section. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my calculator right now, guys. All right, so let's go. Here we are, guys. So if I actually go over to my notepad right now, okay, as you can see, we bought BTC at the price of 129,329,739.81 naira. Okay, with a capital of 500,000 naira, and it gave us the sum of 0.00386,270 BTC. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my calculator right now, guys, and just paste the amount of BTC we actually bought. So this is the amount multiplied by the P2P merchant buying price, which is 145,200,000. Okay, so that gives us 560,772 naira 564 kobo. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So let's actually subtract this from our initial capital of 500,000 naira, so we actually know the profit we'll be making from this arbitrage, guys. Okay, so let's actually subtract this right now. Okay, so let's actually minus by 500,000. So this gives us 60,772 naira 564 kobo, guys. Okay, so this is the profit we'll be making from a 500,000 naira capital. Okay, so guys, this is how profitable the arbitrage can be. You can actually do this multiple times to actually make much more profit for yourself. The higher the capital, the higher the profit you'll be making. Okay, so that is basically how arbitrage works. All right, so guys, one thing you must know is this particular arbitrage is actually an opportunity based arbitrage. Okay, it doesn't happen all the time. So before you actually partake in this, make sure you actually check properly to know if you're going to be in profit or a loss before you actually indulge in it, guys. Okay, to actually be on the safer side. All right, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. A lot more opportunities will be coming to this channel, so make sure you actually be a part of this channel by hitting on that subscribe button, guys. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, guys, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, don't hesitate to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever amazing videos like this one is being uploaded right here on this channel, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.